out here on the 101, and instead of buying lunch every day, I decided I'm gonna cook today for the first time in the bus. I have a fellow vanner with me. She's gonna help me with the filming, and I was gifted a camping stove, so I'll be able to use that, and we'll give it a shot, see how it works out. So I got this compartment for my stove. It fits nicely in the back. And we're gonna set up the propane. It's really easy. Hey. I guess just like that, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I don't have an outside table, so I'm gonna use this. And I open to the vents. How's this work?
Go into right here.
Oh. That's okay. Now this we just screw on.
Mm-hmm.
Like this?
Mm-hmm.
Just a little bit, right?
Mm-hmm. Hi, Vanny.
Okay. I don't like the stems, do you?
I don't care.
Guess that thing's heating up.
Yeah.
That's scary. Okay. Cheese. Organic. Some
Organic
spinach.
cheese there.
And some eggs.
Eggs, not organic.
Made a little trash bag.
Trash bag.
Save this one for later. Some cooking spray. Shit. Scary.
Probably just turn it down.
I bought a spatula. We'll do like 3 eggs each. Oh. Now that's cooking. And there's that shell. I need salt and pepper too at some point. Yeah, it's a magnet. Magnet on the back of the bus. That's me with a smile. So this was pretty easy to figure out. Had the stove for about a month now, and this is the first time I'm using it. So shout out to my sister for hooking me up. Turn up this heat a little. I'll try more advanced meals in the future. See how that works out. But for today, we have a nice afternoon lunch. So you see the mess eggs have made in my non-stick pan that I got from REI. I'll most likely not be cooking eggs again, just because now I gotta figure out a way to clean this. If you have any suggestions, you can leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now that the weather's getting nicer here in Southern California, I can make some more videos for you guys to watch. So there you have it. Lunch is served. First meal cooked in the Smurfbus. Don't forget to subscribe and like and follow and leave comments. See you next time.